Green card traps you must avoid. USCIS won't warn you. If you are interested in this topic, please pay attention and watch the video through the end to get all the information. Please hit like and subscribe. And don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. If you're a green card holder or applying for one, you're probably excited about living and working in the U.S. permanently. But hold up, there are some hidden traps in the USCIS system that could catch you off guard. Today, we're diving into USCIS green card traps, and one warns you about to help you stay prepared and protect your status. Having a green card is a privilege, but it comes with responsibilities. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, or USCIS, has strict rules, and some mistakes can jeopardize your status. Prolonged absence from the U.S. Staying outside the U.S. for too long. Did you know that spending more than 6 months outside the U.S. can raise red flags with USCIS? If you're gone for over a year without a re-entry permit, you could be deemed to have abandoned your permanent resident status. This is a big one. For example, if you're visiting family abroad or working overseas, CBP officers at the border might question your intent to live in the U.S. Tips to avoid. Get a re-entry permit by filing Form I-131 before leaving if you plan to be abroad for more than 6 months but less than 2 years. Keep strong ties to the U.S. like a job, home, or bank accounts, and carry proof of these ties when you return. If you're stuck abroad and your green card expires, contact a U.S. Embassy or file Form I-131A for carrier documentation. Criminal activity, even minor offenses. Thinking minor crimes won't affect your green card. Even a small brush with the law, like a misdemeanor, can put your status at risk. Tips to avoid. Avoid any illegal activity, including minor offenses, as they can trigger deportation proceedings. If questioned at the border, stay calm and request a hearing with an immigration judge. Don't sign anything like Form I-407 without legal advice. Marriage fraud misunderstandings. Marriage fraud accusations. If you're applying for a green card through marriage, USCIS is extra vigilant. Even genuine marriages can be flagged if you don't provide enough evidence of a bona fide relationship. In 2025, USCIS tightened rules, requiring separate payments for forms and stricter medical form submissions, which can trip up applicants. Tips to avoid. Submit strong evidence of your relationship, like joint bank accounts, lease agreements, photos, or affidavits from friends and family. Be consistent in your interviews, and paperwork discrepancies can raise suspicions. Report suspected fraud anonymously to USCIS if you know of it, but never misrepresent your own relationship. Failing to update your address. Not updating your address with USCIS. If you move and don't notify USCIS within 10 days, you could miss critical notices about your case, like interview dates or requests for evidence. This can lead to delays or even denial of your application. Tips to avoid. Update your address online through your USCIS account or by calling the USCIS Contact Center at 800-375-5283. Keep copies of all USCIS correspondence and check your case status online regularly. Social media vetting risks. Ignoring social media vetting. USCIS now requires green card applicants to disclose social media handles as part of their vetting process. Posts that seem harmless to you, like political opinions or protest photos, could be misinterpreted as supporting violence or terrorism, especially under current enforcement trends. Tips to avoid. Be cautious about what you post online, especially about sensitive political issues. Review your social media history and delete or privatize anything that could be misconstrued. Conclusion and call to action. There you have it, 5 USCIS green card traps. The key is to stay informed, follow the rules, and seek legal advice when in doubt. That is all for today in this video. What are your thoughts on this? Please let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching the entire video. Hopefully, the information is useful to you. See you later in the next video. Till then, take care.
Green card traps you must avoid. USCIS won't warn you. If you are a green card holder or applying for one, it's essential to be aware of hidden USCIS traps that could jeopardize your status. One major risk is spending too much time outside the US. Being away for over 6 months can raise red flags. and over a year without a re-entry permit could be seen as abandoning your residency. Even minor criminal offenses may trigger deportation, so it's vital to avoid legal trouble and never sign an forms like a Form I-407 marriage-based green card. Applicants must provide strong, consistent evidence of a genuine relationship, as the USCIS has tightened scrutiny in 2025. Additionally, failing to update your address within 10 days of moving can cause missed USCIS notification and lead to application denials. Lastly, social media is now part of the vetting process. Posts that appear innocent might be misinterpreted under strict enforcement. Staying informed, keeping documentation update, and seeking legal advice when needed can help you protect your green card status.